Hi, I'm Yvette Cameron, Senior Vice President of Oracle's Cloud HCM Product Strategy. Welcome to the Oracle Cloud HCM 25C Spotlight, your front row seat to the innovation shaping the future of work. Over the next 30 minutes, you're going to hear directly from our global product leaders as we explore how AI is redefining HR, from streamlined approvals and career growth to powerful analytics and more. Each speaker is proudly tossing their hat into the spotlight, bringing unique perspectives and unveiling what's new in their product areas for the 25C release. This update reflects how our product vision continues to evolve, delivering enhancements grounded in our principles of exceptional employee experiences, built-in intelligence, and modern usability. You're going to see how we're extending embedded AI across the suite to help your teams work smarter and faster. You're also going to see us continue to drive additional Redwood experiences that simplify, personalize, and elevate every interaction. And we're going deeper in key focus areas, giving you the agility, insights, and tools that you need to succeed today and prepare for tomorrow, and to reduce your total cost of ownership. But don't just take it from me. It's time to toss the hat to our next expert, who's going to dive deeper into Oracle Cloud HCM 25C Update.
Thanks, Yvette. Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm Nancy Estelle Zoder, and I'm the Group Vice President for Oracle Cloud HCM, and I'm thrilled to be walking you through some of the most exciting updates we've made to our core HR, employee experience and service delivery, workforce management, and payroll solutions in the latest 25C update. These enhancements have been specifically designed to not only elevate the overall experience, but to also optimize productivity and efficiencies. Let's start with Core HR. This is your system of record for all work and worker data, so the backbone of your organization's workforce processes and experiences. With our latest updates, we've streamlined the administrator's experience with updates to our Transaction Admin Console. This includes the introduction of an AI-based composition assistant, comments assistant, rule summarizer, advanced rule compositions, and notification manager. This investment enhances efficiencies with the use of AI agents. So what does this mean to your administrators? Well, artificial intelligence is simplifying the life of the Transaction Admin Console administrator with AI-assisted approval rules configuration. The administrative users can now enter rule details in text format in the AI agent, and the application will reflect those changes in the rules displayed in the diagram. And now provide support of an AI-generated approval rules summary. Approval rules files are now processed using AI and translated to English text and displayed in the configuration page, so the administrators can now more easily read the rule summary and understand the rule details. And we now have AI agents integrated in the Transaction Admin Console with options to use guided journeys. AI will retrieve the relevant information from the uploaded documents and summarize the output in the chat window to expedite configuration. Now that wraps up Core HR and Experience highlights. Let's move on to the benefits investments. Now, beyond the flexible rules configuration, we've invested in the benefits administrator's experience with enhancements to the Benefits Activity Center search, providing a simplified way for the benefits administrator to easily locate people with unique benefit statuses, such as individuals with pending actions, suspended coverage, interim coverage applied, paid bills, and many more. Now let's take a look at the key investment in absence management. As part of absence management included with Core HR, we've continued to focus on the administrator's optimized experience with the new support for absences and entitlements, providing one page to view all absences and statuses. Next up, workforce management, our complete solution to support all workforce management needs natively built with Core HR to ensure data integrity and security. With this, we continue to provide optimized solutions to support the complex time needs. So in 25C, we provide partial shift coverage, allowing workers to partially claim open shifts, which provides visibility to schedule managers of the partially claimed assigned shifts. So for example, If a shift is not covered 3 hours or more, the uncovered portion should be split into a separate shift and posted as an opportunity to be claimed. This flexibility allows for better coverage of workload demand, and when workers' our availability is limited and reduces the steps, simplifying the experience for scheduling managers. We also know you may have workers across multiple locations, and workers need to be allowed to clock in for work in scheduled work locations. So, with this, in 25C, we now support hybrid and multi location support in our web clock geofencing. This provides the flexibility needed to leverage your workforce from across multiple work locations and allow other options like hybrid work from home situations while still maintaining the integrity of the allowable clock in location. Now, we also know that managers may have challenges with managing attendance. So, with Oracle Time and Labor, we delivered a manager landing page to support attendance tracking. This will enable managers to monitor and manage all attendance violations to ensure fairness and disciplinary actions for attendance violations in order to provide better service and ensure productivity. Now, let's talk about payroll. We're focused on providing simplified payroll processes to optimize the payroll administrator's experience and ensuring that your employees are paid accurately and on time. In 25C, we've delivered new reports available on the Payroll Activity Center, demonstrating our continued focus on optimizing how the administrator gets their work done. And last but certainly not least, we've continued to invest in our help desk to ensure focus on the employee experience and service delivery. We are providing optimized solutions for the service agent. This starts with the new AI-assisted summarization to expedite case resolution. We're also optimizing the worker's experience when requiring service. So when they're in a chat, the worker can create a service request to capture the context to ensure contractual compliance for complex cases such as employee relations cases. Now, these updates are all about one thing: simplified contextual experiences to enable your workforce to enhance their productivity and efficiencies. From smarter workflows and enhanced data intelligence to AI-powered interactions, we're helping you transform the way you work. By optimizing these HR processes, you're not only boosting efficiencies, but you're also creating a more responsive, engaged, and future-ready workforce. So if you're ready to experience the future of HR, workforce management, payroll, and employee experience, check out the What's New documentation for 25C for more details. Thanks for joining me today. And next, here's Chris to share the investments made in talent management. Over to you, Chris.
Thanks, Nancy. Hello, everyone. I am indeed Chris Avrilla, and I am the Vice President of Product Strategy for Oracle Cloud HCM. And I'm here to talk to you today about all things talent management, development, and experience. I'd like to share with you some of the highlights I am most excited about with our 25C updates that we've made to enhance dynamic skills, career development, talent review, succession, goals, touch points, celebrate, learning, grow, and of course, recruiting. As Nancy shared also, these enhancements have all been specifically designed to optimize productivity and efficiencies, as well as elevate experiences and outcomes. So let's start with the heart of the talent suite, the talent profile itself, the source of truth for skills, people, and job and work data that sits at the center of all of our talent solutions. In this release, we added the ability to do a talent profile search by attained, developing, and validated skills. In addition to this talent search by skill level, we have added an all filter for skills in Team Skills Center and the ability for administrators to apply Gen AI skill description and classifiers to the skill library, amongst the other 25C updates to enhance dynamic skills that we released in 24D. And speaking of skills, let's talk about career development. And because everybody loves the spider chart, we now have a radar chart for skills within the role guide and with the same user experience as the competency radar chart that people already know and love. We've also now added the ability for individuals to recommend career roles to others as well. We've been busy with enhancements to talent review and succession planning also. And I'm pleased to share one of the coolest new features, and that's the ability to show all candidates in a succession plan, including candidates outside the actual talent review population. So, from other departments or areas and external candidates, expanding options by bringing in people with broader experiences and backgrounds. I am very excited to also highlight Oracle's new talent review advisor from AI Agent Studio that offers invaluable support to managers by providing on-demand, targeted answers to their questions, significantly streamlining the often complex and time-consuming process of preparing for talent review meetings. Harnessing agentic AI, the advisor accesses data such as performance, goals, feedback, and recognitions, as well as employment history and compensation data for applicable employees. Next, let's take a look at goals with the suggested goals drawer enhancements. The drawer now has tabs for each type of suggested goal. So whether it's by organization level, shared goal, previous goal, or evaluation goals. I love this. Lastly, from an overall talent and performance management perspective, I do want to shine a light on how we are continuing to evolve Touchpoints as a differentiating solution, purpose-built for continuous performance management. I love it because we are really evolving check-ins into game changers. The template now has several sets of options where administrators can pick and choose what type of topics can be discussed, by whom, and in what context. This provides a lot more flexibility while still keeping it simple for end users. And now, nudge plans can have specific targeted populations and dispatch to target populations. Finally, scheduling distribution plans and views of which nudges were actually executed upon. I love Touchpoints. It's all about better conversations, better managers, and better results. And for Celebrate, which comes bundled with Touchpoints, managers can now nominate inside and outside of their team, expanding potential use cases that organizations want to implement, and have a more official procedure and decision process for award distribution. We provided an additional layer of nomination and committee approval for award decision making. Admins can configure new types of programs that will make any awards go through a nomination and winner selection process with a dedicated UI. Next up is Learning and Grow, and I am so excited to share our newest out-of-the-box connector with Udemy. The Udemy catalog is automatically synced with Oracle Learning, and learners can search, browse, be recommended, and of course, consume Udemy courses via Oracle Learning or directly via Udemy. And yes, the enrollment and completion is always recorded in Oracle. My favorite new feature for Grow in 25C is that each worker's recommendations for next best career role can now be surfaced in their Grow Your Career section. These recommendations are generated using GenAI by leveraging GenAI created synthetic summaries for people and jobs. And remember those career role recommendations from other users that I mentioned earlier? They will show up in the same swim lane now as well. Love it. And last but certainly not least is recruiting, where the list is long, so I had to limit even my highlight reel to my top 5. So number 1, candidate sourcing navigation, delivering new sourcing Redwood navigation, which actually groups sourcing into its own functional area. And number 2, AI match scores, and really the new compact view. As of 25B, you can view AI match scores for applicants, education, experience, skills, and overall. But in 25C, we deliver a compact view of scores, as well as adjusting weights to compute overall scoring. Number 3 is creation of a candidate from the resume itself with resume parsing capabilities. And 4 is ad hoc and automated interview feedback. Candidate feedback is one of ORC's top adopted features, and the combination of features that are delivered here in 25C fulfills many popular enhancement requests that strengthen and streamline this area of the product. 5, and yes, my favorite for last, the Recruiting Activities Center and Dashboard, where the pictures themselves are worth 1,000 words. So please be sure to check out the What's New documentation for 25C for more details on this, because it really is big, but also for all I've highlighted today. You will also want to check out the many enhancements I didn't get to feature today. So, from this fabulous release, please do check it out. The future of talent management is already here at Oracle. From your ability to access talent to how you develop, manage, move, engage, and retain your talent. So thank you so much for joining me today. And with that, back to you, Yvette.
Thanks. That was amazing. And that's your inside look at Oracle Cloud HCM 25C. From smarter workflows to sharper insights, this release proves that AI isn't just a trend, it's a team player. To our product leads, partners, and customers around the world, thanks for joining us. Until next time, hats off to 25C.